right, everybody. If this scenery looks familiar to my usual watchers, you are correct. We are on the way to Ritidian today. And there's a few little rain showers out here. I can just barely see Rhoda. But it's a beautiful day in Guam. Hey everybody, just been snorkeling out here at Ritidian for a while. Haven't seen a whole lot of stuff yet, except for some fish. It's kind of wavy today, but it is at low tide, so it's not so bad right now. But every so often a big wave comes through and wants to take you to the beach. So let's see what we can find. There's one right there. Well, been looking around out here for a while, and now I look up at the sky and it's turning black. That's the direction the rain comes from, so it's going to be raining here pretty soon. Okay, so I got out of the water because the sky would get black, and it's, of course, pouring rain now. Just worried about if there's going to be any lightning. So far, not. But I want to show you these flowers on the beach. Okay. These are called beach morning glory. And the leaves on this plant, if you take it of the leaf and you tear it, and then you rub it in your mask until it makes like a green juice, and scrub it real hard. It prevents your mask from fogging up when you go snorkeling. Of course, you can do that, or you can spit in your mask, or of course there's some defogger. But I thought you might be interested in this plant that grows along most of the beaches in Guam. What's up, girls? We're out here social distancing. Social distancing. In the clean waters of Ritidian. Okay, we've got a few waves here. Okay, people, hold on for dear life. Well, there's quite the current out here today. But look at it. It's like a river. And I'm just holding on for dear life. Well, it's time to leave Ritidian because the rain doesn't look like it's stopping. But it's such a cool place to be when it's raining. When the water's coming through the leaves in the forest. Pretty cool. All right, seize the day and check out the video at the end for more good snorkeling videos.